Mastering English, a journey of growth and confidence. The language of possibility. Raj stood at the bustling crossroads of opportunity and challenge. His dreams stretched beyond his small town in India. He wanted to study abroad, work with international clients, and share his ideas with the world. But one thing held him back: his English. It wasn't that he didn't know the basics. He could manage conversations, read simple books, and understand movies, at least when the characters spoke slowly. But his words felt clumsy, his sentences lacked confidence, and he stumbled whenever he tried to express complex thoughts. One evening, while scrolling through his phone, Raj came across a quote: "Language shapes the way we think and determines what we can think about." It struck a chord. He realized English wasn't just a skill, it was a gateway to a bigger world. Determined, Raj crafted a plan. Step 1. Living with English. Raj knew that passive learning wouldn't be enough. He had to immerse himself completely. His mornings now started with English podcasts, TED Talks, interviews, and storytelling sessions. During breakfast, he would try to summarize what he heard. It was awkward at first, but he forced himself to say the words out loud, shaping his thoughts in English. At work, he switched his phone's language to English and wrote emails with extra care. Even though his colleagues sometimes chuckled at his mistakes, he reminded himself that every error was a stepping stone. Step 2. Thinking in English. One day, Raj read about an important trick. Stop translating in your head. Start thinking in English. It was harder than he expected. His thoughts naturally formed in his native language, and converting them took effort. But he practiced by describing everyday objects around him. This chair is wooden. The cushion is red. Then he moved to actions. I am making tea. I will add ginger. Soon his inner monologue switched gears. Instead of hesitating, words began to flow. Step 3. Speaking without fear. Raj's biggest fear was speaking in front of fluent speakers. Every time he opened his mouth, he worried about sounding foolish. But then he met an old mentor who told him, the secret to confidence is to stop fearing judgment. Speak as if every word is valuable. Encouraged, Raj found language exchange partners online. He forced himself into English conversations daily, knowing that mistakes weren't failures, they were lessons. Step 4. Writing to sharpen the mind. Raj started journaling in English. He wrote about his day, his thoughts, his frustrations. Whenever he struggled with a word, he looked it up, eager to fill the gaps in his vocabulary. He also began drafting emails, social media posts, and even short stories. With time, his sentences became clearer, his words more precise. Step 5. Learning through story. Instead of memorizing vocabulary lists, Raj began reading novels, news articles, and blogs. He realized that stories helped him absorb grammar and style naturally. Each book felt like a conversation with the author, an intimate exchange where he picked up nuances, expressions, and cultural insights. The transformation. Months passed. One evening, Raj found himself explaining a complex topic to a foreign colleague. His words flowed effortlessly, his sentences had rhythm, and most importantly, he felt in control. That day, he realized something profound. English was no longer a barrier. It was his bridge to the world. From hesitation to confidence, Raj's journey proved that language isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about persistence, courage, and the willingness to embrace mistakes. And for anyone standing at that crossroads wondering if they can improve their English, Raj's story whispers the answer: yes, you can. The moral of Raj's journey is this: persistence and immersion lead to mastery. Improving a skill, whether language, communication, or any form of learning, requires more than passive effort. It demands courage to make mistakes, resilience to keep practicing, and a mindset that embraces challenges instead of fearing them. Language is not just about words, it's about confidence, expression, and connection. When you stop fearing judgment and start seeing every struggle as a stepping stone, Fluency is no longer a distant dream. It's an inevitable reality. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post inspiring stories that help you learn English naturally and confidently. Hit bell icon so you never miss any new videos. Let's grow together, one story at a time. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.